Ukraine keeps managing to strike Russia's navy with their naval kamikazi drones in another strike on Crimea's northern section. Ukraine's naval drones manages to strike and destroy a tugboat with Russia's Black Sea Fleet, moving away further and further to try and avoid getting targeted. Russia's defensive against these still seems to be mediocre, as the drone could drive past their sea barrier at the entrance to the port, showing physical barriers, and helicopters chasing these naval drones down still let some through at times, resulting in Russia's Black Sea Fleet to decrease in size, leaving one